Hey everyone, so the Read and Write extension and the Orbit Note extension are allowed for students to download and install. If you check in the top upper right here, let me slide over this little puzzle piece icon. You can see the student doesn't have the extensions installed yet. You can get these download links into Google Classroom or Clever Teacher page or Seesaw or what have you, and the students can click when they go to that link. They can hit this Add to Chrome button right here. It will allow that student account to add the extension. Now it's up here in the top right corner. And if I want to pin it on there, I can hit pin and it'll stay up here next to the URL address bar. Same thing for Read and Write. Click the link wherever it is in Classroom or a Google Doc or what have you. The student account is allowed to get there. Click Add to Chrome, add extension. It automatically downloads, installs. And if I want to keep it up there for students to click on for website accessibility, there it is still. Very good. And if you are looking for this information in the future, you can go to help.vacavilleusd.org, our help docs, sign in with the Google button. And once you've signed in with your Google button, you can search here for Orbit Note or Read and Write on the search bar at the top. And here's a page with those links again. You can copy into your classroom and the screenshots we just covered as well. Thanks for watching.